Hey everybody, welcome to La Cocina de Tawa. So today I made a Mexican street taco named Tacos de Vampiro or Vampire tacos. Basically what it is, it's an open face quesadilla with not lengua, which is beef tongue, or you can even use carne asada, and it's drenched with dried chili broth. And man, it gets so crispy, it's cheesy. Man, it's so incredible. You're going to love this. You top it all with cilantro, onions, and your salsa, whatever you want to put on there. Anyways, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, comment below, like this video. This is just a quick video. I hope you like it. All right, comment below any ideas you have in the future. I have another video that I'm going to put up. I plan on doing a chorizo, so go ahead and let me know if you have any other ideas of any other videos, recipes you want me to do. Anyways, go ahead and enjoy this video. Thank you. Also, I'll put the recipe down below in the description box. You can go to my website. I'll put it down in the description box. Also, for the beef tongue, how I made the beef tongue and the beef tongue broth and all that stuff, I'll leave it down below. I have a video on that, so you can click on the card on top or just go down to the description box. I'll put it down there. All right, buen provecho.